Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making rich and fudgy chocolate baked oats. This easy, healthy breakfast feels like indulging in dessert, but it's packed with wholesome ingredients. Let's dive in. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1/2 banana, 1/4 cup chocolate chips. Optional. Additional chocolate chunks for topping. Directions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a blender, combine the oats, milk, cocoa powder, baking powder, honey, and banana. Blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into a greased ramekin or small baking dish. Stir in the chocolate chips and top with additional chocolate chunks if desired. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the top is set and the oats are cooked through. Let cool slightly before digging in for a warm, gooey treat. Prep time: 5 minutes. Cook time: 25 minutes. Total time: 30 minutes. Calories: 280 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 1 serving. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.